Hi, and welcome back to this course. So in this section, we'll cover data analytics using Pandas. The entire series of lectures will show you how to use Pandas in terms of manipulating the data, analyzing it, how to use it for building machine learning algorithms, to use it for data wrangling and data cleaning activities, and why it's important for data science. Just to do a quick recap on the previous section, which was the lecture series on Python, and I hope now you have enough knowledge and understanding of Python, how to use it for programming, how to use it for doing all kinds of different manipulation activities on the data, how to use the different data types, how to write modular code, how to use that data and then implement your machine learning algorithms using it. So we'll use all that knowledge that we've acquired and now learn Pandas. Pandas is built in Python and it integrates with Python. So it's important that you know Python before you start using Pandas. So in this lecture series, we want to get a better handle on how to use Pandas. So as you can see, Pandas is an open source, easy to use, high performance data structure and analysis library for Python. And it can handle all kinds of data types from most data sources. So be it a database data, be it a file data, be it in JSON format, be it text format, be it CSV format, and all kinds of data structures like arrays, strings, date times, dictionaries. It can handle pretty much all of these things. And having been built for Python, it integrates very easily with it. And yes, you might have seen when you install your Anaconda platform, it comes pre-installed with that. So it makes it easy to start using Pandas when you're building your machine learning models. It's very efficient because it performs most of the operations in memory on the data structures. So it doesn't have to do a back and forth of read and write from the disk. So that makes it pretty fast. Uh, as you'll see when you build the models, that in data analysis, you'll be analyzing large amounts of data. Uh, if you're doing more advanced deep learning model building, then you'll probably be working with hundreds and hundreds of gigabytes of data at one go. And in that situation, you need these efficient data analysis libraries to be able to perform the data wrangling activities and then using that data for building the model. And these are some of the reasons why Pandas is very widely used in machine learning. Uh, it's very easy and flexible to use for all kinds of data manipulation activities. And when you're doing data analysis, you also want to be able to do a lot of different statistical operations, slice and dice the data, view it. All of these things are already inbuilt in Pandas, so it's a very powerful library. And then one thing you must remember is that data analysis is an activity which happens before your data science model building exercises. So the data which is generated from your data analytics activities is a clean data, and that is used by data science in the entire process to make business predictions using the models built. So to give you a pointer to some of the useful books and websites, you can see here Pandas itself gives you a very good tutorial collection. There's a nice cookbook and a small cheat sheet which gives you a quick access to all the useful functionality. So let's just have a look at that. So this is the online tutorial. There's a whole host of different tutorials, videos which you can run through and see how Pandas works. And there's a very good uh, brief guide or a cookbook here, which covers pretty much all the basic functionality, including a very quick 10-minute introduction. I mean, so these are all very useful ways to familiarize yourself with the pandas. and you can go through all the different features here and learn more about pandas. So as part of the course, we'll be covering the main functionality which is expected to be used while building machine learning models. And there's this small cheat sheet. So if you sometimes don't remember all the functions and you just want a quick reference to all the different methods and functionalities, then you can easily access that in this cheat sheet. So once again, welcome back to the course, and hopefully by the end of this lecture series, you'll become well versed with using pandas for data analysis. Thank you.